Your Android device might be under siege, and you wouldn't even know it. The latest evolution of the Anatsa malware, also known as TeaBot, has emerged as a silent but deadly threat to over 800 financial institutions worldwide. According to cybersecurity news, this updated version is not only more stealthy, but also far more persistent, making it a formidable adversary for cybersecurity experts. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite its sophistication, Anatsa has managed to infiltrate devices through seemingly harmless apps, each boasting over 50,000 installations. How did it fly under the radar for so long? And this is the part most people miss. Once installed, the malware slyly requests accessibility permissions and activates critical system privileges, all while using a single-byte XOR encryption key to communicate with its command and control servers. It even employs data encryption standard runtime decryption and invalid compression flags for DEX file obfuscation, making it a nightmare to analyze. This resurgence comes 5 years after Anatsa was first discovered, raising questions about our ability to keep pace with evolving cyber threats. Meanwhile, on another front, Indian government and defense organizations are facing a different but equally alarming threat. APT36, also known as Transparent Tribe, has launched a new malware campaign using illicit Linux.desktop files. Discovered earlier this month, these attacks highlight the growing sophistication of state-linked threat actors. But here's the real question. Are we doing enough to protect critical infrastructure from such targeted campaigns? As cyber threats continue to evolve, one thing is clear. Staying informed is no longer optional. What steps do you think organizations and individuals should take to safeguard against these invisible invaders? Share your thoughts in the comments below.